Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a really special dish. So my family does not really eat any non-vegetarian food, and there are so many dishes that I want to make for them, but I can't because of obvious reasons. So what I decided to do is make this really delicious version of Kadai Paneer, which I'm gonna share with you right now. So let's get started. So let's start heating up a wok on medium heat with some oil. We're gonna start preparing our garnish, and we're gonna chop these three veggies in a large dice. So first start with the onion. Cut it from the center, get that nice stuff out, and that's it for the onion basically. You want each piece to be about this big. This should be enough for this recipe, so I'm gonna put this aside. Now same for the green pepper. Just wanna slice through it. So we don't want any of this white part. It's a little bitter, so just get that out. Now I'm gonna cut this down the middle, and you want this about the same size as our onion. So I'm just gonna crisscross it. One cut here, one cut there. And that's our green pepper. And then the same thing for the red pepper. So add your veggies into your hot oil. And you just want to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes until this starts to become soft. You do not want to cook these completely. So as you can see, the vegetables are getting a little brown. Some char on them. Now this is good. We're going to put this out and set it aside in a bowl. Now in the same wok, add some more oil and some butter. Now add in your onions. Now we're gonna add in the chopped onions and saute until they start to change color. So once your onion starts to turn its color, become a little brown, add in the ginger garlic paste and give it a mix and cook 2 to 3 more minutes. You're gonna cook out the rawness from the ginger and garlic. Add in your chopped tomatoes. And I personally like the heat from green chilies. So if you like heat as well, add in some chopped fresh green chilies. Again, give this a mix. To help break down and cook these tomatoes, add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now for other spices, we're going to add in turmeric and ground coriander. Give this a mix and keep cooking until the tomatoes start to break down. The tomatoes are nicely broken down now. So add in your tomato paste or your tomato puree. Then give it a nice mix. Now sprinkle in some more salt. You can adjust for it at the end. Now add in some red chili powder. I'm using degi mirch so it adds more color and less heat. I'm going to sprinkle in some ground green cardamom. Don't overdo it. You want to taste that natural flavor of those tomatoes, the onion, and the paneer, which is going to be our main focus. And then finally, crush in some kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Now give this a nice stir and cook this until you start seeing oil dissipating from the sides. So now I'm going to add in some honey. It's going to add a really nice sweetness. If you don't have honey, you can use sugar, but I find honey adds a much better sweetness. Now I added my paneer. And give this a nice mix. My paneer was in the freezer. I'm just going to cook this on low heat until it completely defrosts and really absorbs that masala. So as you can see, our paneer looks delicious. It's starting to absorb its flavor of all that delicious masala of our kadai paneer. So now we're going to finish our dish with some heavy cream. It's going to completely transform our dish. It's basically done. Now don't forget about your veggies that we sauteed earlier. Just put that in. Give it a quick mix. Our dish is like suddenly all colorful. And these peppers, these onions, it's going to add so much more flavor to our already flavorful dish. If you don't like veggies like this, then you can completely omit this. Guys, this looks super delicious. I'm gonna have this with some homemade roti bread. You can have this with so many things. Rice, rumali roti, naan. It's just great with everything. So I'm gonna dig in. So there you have it, guys. This was a really fun dish to make. I hope you guys liked this video. If so, leave me a like down below. You can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome videos just like this. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.